Thokozane, this is Coco Tablamanzi in Tibula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome. Do not forget to leave me a comment. If there's something that you do not understand, please let me know. Shout out to the people that are watching from Lesotho, from what you call South Africa, from Eswatini, from the United States. Welcome everyone. Today's video is about into, not necessarily into, but okay, in say into la. So it's about snuff. Thokozane, nice snuff, guys. Snuff. I hope you can see it. Nice snuff. This is the smaller one. Okay, ngiphethe into lana, so don't mind me. Thokozane. Like ngifuna share the importance of snuff. Snuff is very important when it comes to you and your pahlaring. When it comes to you, when you phahla, when you are doing your pahlaring, whether it be emandeni, ekhaya, ngaphandle, ehlathini, entsabeni, inside a cave. Snuff is very important, guys. Snuff ashiwa na uphahla. Bogogo nabomkhulu bayabhenyiswa. Uyababhemisa kuze nawe tino takho tikhambele kahle. Uyabajabulisa nabo batokujabulisa. It's a give and take thing, you understand? Fanele ube ne snuff whenever you phahla. Fanele ube ne snuff sakho na uphahla. Ningakhohlwa guys, na uphahla snuff siyafunekala. Snuff awuphahla ungana snuff. Awuphahla, ifundisa ukuthi awuphahla ungana snuff. Ungabe ungana ama coins, ungabe manda hambile and everything, but have your snuff. Snuff ligwayi labogogo, ligwayi labomkhulu leli. Ene nawubayentela so bayajabula, nawubabhemisa, nawukhuluma nabo ucela emathongeni, ucela edlotini lakho, ucela tuku abantu labadzala. You talk to them, uyacela, uyakhipha, uyababhemisa, uyabapha. Uyababhemisa, bayotokhona nabo ukuthi bajabule. Okay, this is sasenyuwan. Kuze nabo bajabule. I don't know if you can see it, but like sasenyuwan. So sase full. Let me open this one so that you can see. Because labanye banondophinze ngibuza ukuthi gogo yini snuff. Snuff ligwayi labogogo, ligwayi labomkhulu. You use it now phahla. Did you see it? Hope it was visible. Yes. Ligwayi lakuvulela, ligwayi lidonsa bogogo ngoba bafuna kubhema, livula i-connection yakho nedloti lakho. Snuff is very important when it comes to your communication with your ancestors. You must always have your snuff with you. Carry your snuff everywhere that you go. And don't even feel ashamed. Because lendo leyo iyakusebentela, lendo leyo itokusita, lendo leyo itophinze kuvikele. Uyangiva uthini? Because maybe say you're going somewhere and then nawufika laphana ufuna kuphahla, snuff asikho. What are you going to do? You send some ads? Okay, fine, mara like make sure to have your snuff. Snuff ngiso lesisebenta kakhulu mathi ngiyawabona, but snuff like nako khomba ukuthi bogogo uyabathanza, bogogo uyabathi ukuthi bathanza ini, angaka ukuthi idloti lakho libhema ini, whether libhema i-boxer, libhema what's that other one, i-taxi, like you need to know ukuthi bogogo bakho, bomkhulu bakho, your ancestors, madloti akho abhema ini, athanza ini. Labanye benu igwayi bebangalisebenzisa basebenzisa impuphu, i-maize meal nemandi. Labanye benu basebenzisa everything. So labanye benu abasebenzisa into, basebenzisa i-boxer kumbe i-taxi. Oh my gosh. Basebenzisa lokho. So nawe like you need to have these things. You need to have these things because kuyasebenda kuvula i-communication, like kena kudonsa amadlozi akho atokhona kusonzela na ubabita uthi bogogo na ubathokozisa uthi Snuff kancane, thokozani makahlela amakhulu ushayatandla. So have your Snuff with you. Have Snuff siyasebenda mathonga bogogo nabomkhulu bantwana bedlozi. Ngabe into le wena till today you don't take into consideration, and then kusasa uyakhala ukuthi kude into le hambako empilweni yakho. So bajabulisa nabo batokujabulisa, yenda into lefanele, bathengele ligwayi labo, ubabhemise na uphahla ukhuluma nabo. Yes, khomba inhlonipho tuka madloti akho kumbe madloti akini. Khomba inhlonipho. So you need to do that as well. Ungayendi tinto ngesinoma kanjani. And even your attire sometimes, even your attire says a lot now, phahla. Even your attire says a lot that sometimes the way umbatha ngakhona, the way ugqoka ngakhona now uyophahla, like it says a lot. It says a lot about you, about the tinto lotifunako. So be humble, have respect. Phatha ligwayi labogogo liyafunakala, into iyasebenda. And if you are a lady, even if you are a lady futhi, like yo lema benefits lamaning benefits lamaning if you are a lady. So I'm sorry flunyana, yabanza nyana. So dress properly, represent yourself, show respect, be humble, have your Snuff, boxer, taxi, whatever. Check ukuthi bogogo bakho babhema ini, ubathengele, uhloniphe, kuyahlonishwa. Trust me, yabona no sensa ligwayi na uphahla. You're gonna thank me later. Sebenzisa ligwayi, ungakhohlwa, sebenzisa ligwayi. Futhi na ukhonakala na ulifaka kancane usintente, uphinze uthi ntente uthi thokozani. Ebabhemisa. So please do that. Please pay attention to everything that you're doing for your ancestors. Have respect, be humbled, and take everything into consideration. Don't just do things. Dress appropriately. Gogani kahle. So thokozani guys. I am gonna share more benefits about the Snuff. Yeah, Sato share, and then please make sure that you buy the right one for your ancestors. Thokozani, this is Koko Tabla Manzi into Sagama Tebula. Thank you guys for watching. Thokozani.